Good morning, everybody. Brian from Nylund's Collision Center. Doing a re-inspection on a recommended insurance shop. Not only once, but twice the vehicle was delivered with this damage. So we got it up on our frame bench. Takes about 8 to 10 hours to set a vehicle up like this so we can do a proper 24-point measurement on this vehicle. Something that we learned from Christian Fielder and Larry Montanus at Collision Hub. Beautiful paintwork right there. A lot of items did not get fixed. You can see the damage on the shock, the damage on the lower control arms, brackets bent on the front, and a lot more items that we're still inspecting on this. So if you decide to go with your insurance company's recommended body shop, buyer beware.